we have a total of 5 postulates and theorems that we can use to show that triangles are congruent. So the first two that we're going to discuss are SSS and SAS. So let's start first with SSS. So from the name itself, SSS, it means side, side, side. So you can easily remember what's the postulate because of the name itself. So it means all 3 sides of the triangle are equal to 3 sides of another triangle, and you are already sure that the 2 triangles are congruent. You do not need to check the angles anymore. So if you know that all 3 pairs of sides are congruent, you are pretty sure that the 2 triangles are congruent. So let's use triangle MNO and XYZ as an example. So if MN is congruent to XY, and if NO is congruent to YZ, and lastly, MO is congruent to XZ. So all 3 sides are congruent, right? So we can say now that triangle MNO is congruent to triangle XYZ. So let's take a look at this example. So as you can see, all the sides are equal. So we know that the 2 triangles are congruent. We do not need to check anymore what is the measurement of the angles. So even if the measurement of the angles are not given, since all the pairs of sides are congruent, we can say that the 2 triangles are congruent. So let's take a look at writing the congruent statement. So if we will write it as triangle ABC, again, I just want to write them in alphabetical order. So here, we know that AB is equal to 4. So in our second triangle, you look for the side that is also equal to 4 cm, and that is side XZ. So we write it as XZ. Next is BC. BC measures 9 cm. So we look for the side that also measures 9 cm, and that's ZY. So this is ZY. And then lastly, AC measures 7 cm. XY also measures 7 cm. So that's how we should write the congruent statement.